I'm always asking for help now. Even if I don't need it, I'm like, help! Like, I ask everybody for help. I want everything. If somebody offers me something, I take it. You know, I read somewhere someone said that if the universe, offers you a penny, if you don't pick up that penny, it stops offering you pennies. It stops offering you quarters. Like, it just stops offering you things. So when somebody is offering you something, whether it's a penny or a job or an idea, to take it. And then it's up to you to figure out if you want to toss it out later, but take that, because after a while, people will start to think that you don't need them anymore, because every time they offer up something, like, no, I got it. I'll take care of it. I'll do it. Don't worry about it. And it's okay to say, yeah, help me out. Like, Chris Rock in his last special, he said, moving a couch is hard, but it's easier with two people. And we have this idea in America of like, this idea of self-made, of like, I'm a self-made person. I did this myself. And we take a lot of pride in that, but nothing has been done by one person. You go back to Apple, you go back to this country. That's why we have multiple presidents. The way America is today is because of all the presidents that have come before us, the Pilgrims before that, the Native Americans. We are standing on the shoulders of millions of people. And so anytime you accomplish anything, you have to thank everybody, and you have to thank everything that's come before you. The thing that bothers me the most is when I hear celebrities or someone say, I came from nothing and I made something. And it's like, for you to say you came from nothing, you're saying that your parents were nothing, your community was nothing, your friends were nothing. Like, you came from nothing and you did it all on your own? Like, that's preposterous. There's a lot of syllables in that word. But for you to think that you did it on your own. And so as soon as we realize that that we all need assistance, right? Look, even companies, whether you're talking about the airlines, whether you're talking about the banks, what are they looking for right now? A bailout. These companies have billions of dollars, and they got their hands like this to the government. And that's why they set up offshore accounts, because they need help. They're looking for, they're like, hey, this is costing me a lot of money. So reach out, ask for help, call the 1-800-SUICIDE, call a friend. I'm telling you, everybody's struggling. Everybody, or they've had a struggle. So we can all relate when we start with that.